Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to solve one interview coding question. Let's check out problem statement first. Given a list of numbers and target value, we should return index of two numbers such that they add up to target value. So we have one list of numbers and target value as input, and output should be index. All right. Let's see examples now. First example, target is 10. That means 3 plus 7 equal to 10. So we are going to return the index of 3, which is 0, and index of 7, that is 3. Alright. Next example, target is 15. So 7 plus 8 equal to 15, and their indexes are 2 and 3. We are going to solve this question using brute force first, and then we'll modify it for better performance. Let's discuss brute force approach first. We will take first element in the list and add it with raised other number, then compare with target value. If match found, then good, we got our solution. Else, we'll take second element from the list and add it with other number. It's kind of we are going to create all possible pair of two numbers. Let's check this visualization first. Here you can see we have two pointers for same list. First pointer, which is in blue color, will be for outer loop, and below pointer, which is in green color, will be for inner loop. We have 10 as target value. So first pair will be 3 and 2. Sum value will be 5, which is not equal to 10. So we'll move green pointer to next value, that is 1. Now total value equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4, which is again not equal to 10. So again we will move green pointer to next value, which is 7. So 3 plus 7, now it's equal to our target value. So we'll return the index of 3 and 7. Okay. Let's check Python code now. So over here in the first line, we have defined a sample list with value as 321769. And then in line 3, we are taking the length of that list, which we will use as a second loop, that is our inner loop. And we took target value as a 13. Then we created one function. Line 6, you can see we are enumerating that list. This is our outer loop. We need the index, because that should be our output, right? And the line 7, you can see we are increasing the inner loop index one more than the outer loop. So basically, for the first time, when I will get the first element as 3, I'm going to read 3 and inner loop will start from 2. So that same number will not get added. Alright. And in line 10, we are just comparing if sum of two numbers is equal to target. If yes, then we are going to return that value. If not, then we'll check the next value in inner loop, like that. Alright. Let's run this code and check the output. So over here you can see the output is 3 and 4, which is 7 plus 6 equal to 13. Alright. In this solution, time of execution will increase as number of items in that list will increase. Worst case scenario, it will be n cross n. If we have millions of items, you can imagine how much time it will take. So, is there any way to solve this question in one iteration? Basically, I want to access each number only one time. Well, before we'll discuss the solution, let's talk about approach first. So when I will get a number in a list, so I got my first number, target is given, so indirectly I knew all three numbers. It's like from our childhood basic algebra, second number will be equal to target minus first number, right? So the solution is, if we can have a memory which will keep track of all the numbers which I have already seen. So this will give us a better solution. Alright. Before we'll check the code, let's see one visualization to understand this process. So over here you can see we have one reference dictionary which is empty initially, and a target value which is 10. Now we are going to read the first element, that is 3, and calculate the second number, that will be 10 minus 3, should be 7. Now we'll check if I have seen 7 before. So if 7 is in our reference dictionary, right now it's empty, so no. Then we'll store 3, which already we have seen, into reference dictionary, right? Then we'll move to the second number, that is 2. Now we'll calculate the second number for it. So 10 minus 2, that will be 8. So did we already seen 8 before? No. So we'll store 2 into reference dictionary and move to the next number, that is 1. And after that we'll check like 10 minus 1, that is 9. So have we seen 9 before? No, 9 is not there. So now again we'll store 1 into reference dictionary and move to the second number, that is 7. And this time our second number will be 10 minus 7, that is 3. Now we'll check into reference dictionary. Have you seen 3 before? Yes, we have seen it. So that is our solution, right? Okay, now let's check the Python code. So this is our Python code. We have defined one function which take 2 arguments. One is list and second is target value. In line second we have defined one empty dictionary, that is checked dictionary. Will keep all the value and its index value which we have already seen. Alright. After that, in line third we are going to enumerate this one because we need the index as well as item in that list. Line 4 we are going to calculate the lookup value, that will be our second number, target minus my first number. And then we are going to check that lookup value is available in our checked dictionary. Simply means, have I seen this number before? If I have already seen, we are going to return index of those two numbers. If not, then the current value which I am processing right now, I'm going to store into checked dictionary, as I have already seen this, right? And its value will be its index value. In like for testing, I have created one sample list with the value as 321769 and target is 13. Let's run the code and check the output. Here you can see in the output console we got 3 and 4. That means it returned 7 and 6, which is correct. Thank you for watching this video.